convert a binary number into a hexadecimal number, our first step is to divide our digits into groups of 4. And we would start from the right hand side. So we would start from here and we would divide this into group of 4 and we would divide this into group of 4. Now write down each group separately. And now what you have to do is convert each group into its decimal number. So 1110 in decimal, you can apply the formula for binary to decimal here. So 110 into decimal is 14 and 1011 in decimal is 11. Now we have to see if our decimal digit exceeds 9. If our decimal digit exceeds 9, then we have to consult this decimal to hexadecimal table. That is, if it is 10, then we would write A. If it's 11, we will write B. If it's 12, we will write C, and so on. So here we have 14, and for 14, we have E. So in hexadecimal, this would be E. And 11 in hexadecimal, it would be B. So that's it. Our hexadecimal number would be EB. Now let's take another example where our numbers or number of digits are not divisible by 4. Here it was 8, so it was divisible by 4. We made groups of 4. But if it is not divisible by 4, then what we would do? So let's take this example here. 110, 110. Now we would do the same thing. We would start from the right hand side and divide them into groups of 4. So here we have one group, 110, and here we need 2 more values to make it 4. So we would just write 0 in their place. So 0, 0, 1, 1. Now convert this into decimal. 1, 1 is 3 and 110 is 6. Now notice one thing here. Our values are not exceeding 9. And if they are not exceeding 9, then we do not need to do this step. We do not need to consult this table. So we would simply write 36. Here our value was exceeding 9. We had double digits. So when we have double digits, then we need to convert that into a single digit using this table. And here we had the single digit. So we did not need to do that. And that was it. That's how you convert a binary number into a hexadecimal number.